Alright, back again. So to address that issue of of the level selection screen giving the problem of uh, this tutorial singleton global was not being set. So what we did was, inside the start method of populate scroll data, we went on to simply set the singleton global, which is the level which will tell the current level, and that we will get from the levels cleared. So by default, if the level 1 is cleared, the level so it will, this value will be stored in the player preferences in the hard disk. So what this means is, it will return the value 1, which we will put in this singleton global, and that will be used to populate the dialog values for the first screen. And secondly, in case this, if I can show you, in case the player go on and select the different level, then the default one that shows up. So if user has cleared the level 2 but he wants to play the level 1 again, then this value will be updated in this here. That is, we are no longer getting from the progress saved, we are getting from the updating this to what user has selected. So this is the value. By default, this is the level 2 show up, and when the let's play is clicked, this function will be called, and it will simply get the value of this. But right now no value is given, so it just use this value of player preferences. But when we change it back to go to hackathon, press this again, and now if I press let's play, the same will happen. So this is what we wanted, and this is what we have been able to achieve. So if now level what user wants to play something that is not in the player preferences, so user wants to do something like this, that is, you want to play the previous level. Now when the let's play is clicked, it will update the previous values in the singleton global, and the rest of the game will be populated like this. This is the back button, this is the target, and this is how it will be. Next thing we will do is put the health to somewhere up. If we can show you this health thing, this player health bar is bit down, and we'll put it bit up adjacent to the target, and instead of health we'll call it yeah, so instead of health we'll call it progress, and then copy it and put that to here as well. And by default the progress will be 0 of all this thing. So this fantasy meter bar will set the values back to 0. And now if we can play the game, this is how progress bar shows, an empty bar. But as the things will improve, that is yeah, progress bar is a bit smaller here, I guess. So head back to the health here, and yeah, if we can scale it, that would be nice. So I do like this, and turn the value 0 to something better. So what this means is that so adjust the slider value here to by default to something, so the shader does show up something as well when it starts. and now I'll save it. And the next thing we'll do is so when each time this crocodile dies, or whatever game object that enemy contains dies, it will simply so if I can show you by going back to level static immovable inside level 1, we'll simply create an empty, and here we'll call enemies, or yep, something like this. And now instead of this enemy, we will control D this to inside of our level thing here, and we will simply uncheck it. And now we'll make like this. And so in our first level, if there is only one of it, so whenever it will be destroyed, so inside level data we can make a script here like this, edit script, that will so this is level data script, and we can make a function here that will tell the number of enemies to kill. So public int enemies to kill, so this is enemies to kill, and we will change this to 3. So by default, if three of these crocs haven't died, then level would not be cleared, or it will be level failed. So so what we can do is if the level fails, we have to create a logic. If I can put this to create logic for create logic, so when player dies, it shows up along with the post analysis or whatever we show with the idea to restart the level, restart the game, or head to main menu. So for this we'll simply go to our UI, top UI panel again here. Oh sorry, this in-game canvas, if we can show you. So this is the briefing UI dialog mission starts, and you have to find the level ends bar here. This is the level ends bar, and here this is level start, level ends, and the level ends will have another button here, if I can show you. Where is this button? Got it. So this is the got it of button aqua, and this is the button aqua here, and we will rename it to yep. So we will remove these two, both of them, and instead of got it, we will say it to restart level, and another one would be, if you can name it like this, restart, and restart will go here, and this would be choose next level or head back to level selection. So this we can rename to choose next level or level selection, like this. And now if we can show you, so we'll increase the size of the button, and if we can scale it, restart level. And the next was this one, I'll call it level selection, and we will simply adjust the size, and the background is still smaller, so adjust the height to 130 and this to 130 as well, and I'll try to make it increase the width of both the things, 450 by 450. This will go here and this will go here, and make it a bit better by adjusting the screen like this. And yep, this seems to be fine for me, and now I'll save it, and this level ends will show up in case the level fails, or yep. So what we will do from here is head back to this level manager, and we have references stored here already. So what we will do is create a void method. So in game canvas will be this, so we'll rename it to public void show nope, right now here it's not even though it's populated already here, but we will simply use this GameManager. So here we'll call public void show level ends, show level end dialog, and show level end UI. And once any trigger is being made, once this method is called, this will run the show level end UI. So to do this, simply we will get the go to level manager, get component level manager, and here we will get the component, name level starts panel, and then turn this to active. So level start panel, once this is active, it will show like this. Yeah, and each one will have both of it. Each one of them have also these two buttons. So one for one button, public void uh, level selection screen. So you guys can check it, just call this here, or you can simply show this show in-game canvas, and we'll call it right away like this. It is a, we will restart the scene, and second thing we'll do is call the show in-game canvas of this component. So by default it's sorry, not this show in-game canvas, it was show level selection canvas. So like this, and now we'll play it. So now if the everything is fine, when this button is pressed, it will restart the scene. So we forgot the references, and for the references to work, level selection is this button. Here we will put the level static immovable, level manager to show level selection canvas. Which was here, show level and UI, sorry, this level selection screen, and name should be show, seems better. And we will give the reference again. So simply give this reference here again. And which was the canvas? So this is the canvas, and here we will simply put the level selection. Again, as you can see, this is coming from the level data class by itself, since we have already populated in the level selection. And once this level selection is selected, it will move to show this screen. Yep, and this is how it is. We'll see in next tutorial what we can do from here. Thank you.